everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do, and I know I say this every day or every time I do a video, something very simple, but this one is really simple. Alright, I'm going to be using a number 16 Filbert brush. It's an Amagic Filbert brush, and then a pouncing tool that's a Martha Stewart, just a large, I don't know what diameter is, but it's just large. I'm also going to be using FolkArt paints, using medium blue, cobalt blue. It's actually cobalt hue. Thought it was blue, but alright. And moon yellow with a touch of autumn leaves. All these are, again, FolkArt paints, mixture of multi-surface and enamels. Alright, this was supposed to be a simple design, but for some reason I'm having a hard time with it. Trying to get the way I want it to look. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pounce my centers in first. These are really simple. Again, for some reason, I'm having a difficult time. Don't know why. Alright, I'll leave them like that. Okay, next thing I'm doing is putting in my leaves, or petals I should say, and I'm just going to pull them towards the center. Pull them towards the center. Now, if you are someone who is going to be selling what you're doing, or you want your design to be more opaque, then go ahead and give it some dry time and go back over it. Or you can do the heat guns or hair dryers, something along that line, just to give it a little bit quicker dry time so you can continue to paint your design. Go for this one again. Now when you're seeing this, obviously some of the petals are long and thin, some of them are shorter, fatter. That just depends on the pressure that you place on your brush when you're painting. When I did this on my paper, I didn't have any problem at all, but for some reason, trying to paint it on here, I'm getting too far into the center, and I don't like that part of it. I'm going to get back over it with my blues. So even though I paint a lot, doesn't mean it always comes out exactly the way I'm wanting. And this one's getting me. But you want it to be more opaque. You definitely want it to be more opaque. That should be your goal here. Alright, so what you could do at this point, I liked when I painted it and I got a little bit of some other color in it. I don't want too much of it, so we'll see how it goes here. Just a little bit here and there. Doesn't have to be all the way around it, or you could leave this part off. Just don't want it to look like early Halloween either. I'm just giving it a little bit of color. And I can go back over it if I want, just to kind of blend it in a little bit more. It's still there, but it's a little bit more blended. and just kind of a happy flower or flowers. Up to you though. You don't have to add the extra color if you don't want to. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is come back through here. And again, this is where it's a little hard because I've pulled into my centers a little bit, but you can always paint over it. Once you do that, make it look a little nicer. And then you just got some colorful flowers. So very colorful, easy, and very simple, as I said it was going to be. Alright, I hope you like this quick little video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and before you leave, if you would, take a moment to share this on your social network with your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good time.